Yo, what's good everybody? It's your boy ReggieJaySneakz coming at you guys today with a new video. Today's video, I'm about to go ahead and try to attack cleaning my seats in my Chrysler 300. If you guys don't know about my Chrysler 300, I do have one of the rare models of the 300, which is the Motown edition. And the Motown edition comes with special seats, and I'll show you guys the seats once we get downstairs to the car. But just know, I have not cleaned my seats ever since I first got my car, and I think I pretty much had it for a little bit over a year, almost 2 years now, and I haven't had a chance to really attack the seats like I want to. And today I'm gonna try to go ahead and do that. I'm gonna let you guys know the items that I'm going to be using on my Chrysler 300 leather seats. Is going to be the Chemical Guys leather cleaner and the leather conditioner. As well, off Chemical Guys, I bought the horsehair brush, as well as a little detailing brush, just in case you guys know you want to get into all those little nicks and crannies on your seats. I'm not sure how your leather seats look, but on mine I do have those holes because I do get the air and the heat on the seats. So you guys, last few things you guys need is just some gloves and 2 microfiber towels, or you guys can do 1 microfiber towel just to wipe off the extra spray, and then use an application pad just so you guys can add the conditioner to the seats once you're done cleaning them. But all that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and get to this stuff, but you guys already know what I need you guys to do before we get into this video. I need you guys to stop what you guys are doing, drop a like on this video right now, as well as a comment. And if you guys are new or old to the channel, make sure you guys subscribe, and make sure you guys have the notification bell set to on, and make sure you guys have the notification bell set to all, so you guys know when I drop a new video and when I'm dropping. But with all that being said, you guys are gonna get straight to this video. Hopefully, our seats come out clean. And yeah, you guys let me know what you guys think of my seats down in the comments down below, as well as if this video help you guys out cleaning your seats, because this stuff pretty much can get used on any color seats. And the seats that I have on my car is pretty much like a off-white color. It's not really tan or anything else. It's kind of like white, but just a little kind of like vanilla, I guess you can say. But you guys see the seats in the few. So with all that being said, you guys, in the meantime, between time, you guys are gonna get straight downstairs to this car and go ahead and get straight started on these seats right now. All right, so we finally made it downstairs to the car. This is how my seats actually look in my 300. 300 I have Motown edition. So the Motown edition comes with the M's in the seats, black pimp striping with the white. Then you guys have a black pimp stripe in the middle. You guys can see how the car looks in the back. I really haven't showed off my interior of my car because it's been kind of dirty. I go to work a lot, and stuff I do at work, I pretty much have a lot of dust on me. So when I get in my car, my seats pretty much get really dusty. And as you guys can see down here, this seat is nasty, y'all. This seat is real nasty, but we're gonna get this seat clean today. But yeah, I just want to go ahead and show you guys the seats really quick. I'm gonna clean this seat up on camera so I can show you guys how I clean my seats, and I can show you guys how you guys can clean your leather seats and your 300. So if you guys are ready for this video, let's go ahead and get straight into it. So in the meantime, like I told you guys at the beginning of the intro, let's go and get straight in. So as you guys just seen, the seats are really nasty. So this is the stuff that I ordered as I was explaining earlier in the video. This is just the leather cleaner. This is what it looks like, as well as the conditioner. This is how they package it up when they send it out. And I also bought the long bristle horse hair brush. This one is great too, but like I said, I still added a detailed brush that you guys probably will see later on in the video of me using. But you also can get that from Chemical Guys as well. Everything they have on their site is really not expensive. I think I paid probably not even 20 bucks for both of the cleaners together, and I think the short hair brush was probably around like 7 to 8 bucks, which was very great. It really took off a lot of dirt, and you guys will see it throughout the video. So first thing first, you guys want to do when you clean your seats, you want to just do your seats by panel. So what I did first was spray the cleaner first on the seat, and then I wanted to just go ahead and spray some on the brush to go ahead and get the brush activated so I can get those suds working. Now after getting the suds working, I just go ahead and kept on going in a circular motion all over the seat of the car. And then I want to also show you guys just a little detail of me using the brush later on, just so I can get more and more detail with the holes in my seats. If you guys don't have any holes in your seats, you probably can just use straight the brush by itself. A lot of dirt was coming off my seats as well from using the brush, but I still wanted to use detailing brush just to get a lot more of the dirt off. because the brush was already, as you guys can see, knocking off a lot of the dirt just from the cleaner alone. So I know if I probably would use an all-purpose cleaner and that, I probably could have got off even more dirt, but I still want to just go ahead and try this out. Like I said, I haven't cleaned my seats for over 2 years. So, hey, it's still looking a little bit good. You guys probably won't have this same, you know, hard seats unless you just bought a car and want to detail it, but hey, it can get done, because I was a little skeptical trying to clean my seats knowing that they were white, and I didn't want to like wash them up and then they end up becoming even worse than what it is. But hey, as I kept cleaning and cleaning, it started to look a little more better and better and better. You guys let me know down in the comments down below as you guys are watching this, what do you guys think of these seats? Did they come out great, or did I just mess them up even more? But to me, I think it looked great. And right, okay, wait. I know you guys watching the video. The video's almost over, but I forgot to add the conditioner part into the video, and the conditioner part is pretty much added on right after you're done cleaning the seat. You pretty much just want to add a couple drops onto the microfiber towel or to your application pad, and once you do that, you just pretty much want to rub it into the seats however you guys feel comfortable doing it. You just pretty much know right or wrong way of doing it. You pretty much want to add the conditioner to the seat just so it can keep it soft and protected from the sun and everything, especially right now in the summertime. Right now, this is pretty much real needed. So hope you guys enjoyed the rest of the video. I'm gonna get you guys back over there. So in the meantime, between time, I'm gonna get out of here. So I see you guys at the end of the video. Right here is the finished product of the seats. This is showing you guys the passenger seat first, then you guys are gonna see the driver, and so on and so on. As you guys seen from the beginning of the video, these seats was horrible, but they did end up coming out great. And I'm gonna let you guys go ahead and finish looking at these seats, and I'll see you guys at the end of the video. That was the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed the whole video. Everybody, I know I did. My seats look great. I know the camera really wasn't picking up as how it looks in person, but if you guys find my social media, you guys will see it throughout the time, because like I said, right now it's really sunny and hot outside right now. So the car was kind of in a, like, I guess you could say sunny but kind of shaded area. So some of the shadows on the seats kind of still made it look like it was still not as clean as it actually is. But my seats look really good. If you guys follow my car social media, I will post a detailed look of the whole car so you guys can kind of see how everything comes together. So I need you guys to make sure you guys follow my car Instagram, which is ReggieJaySneakz 300, all together, no spaces. And yeah, you guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you guys thought of the seats down in the comments down below. I love them. I know they're really hard to keep clean, but I'm willing to go ahead and take that with a grain of salt just for me having a different 300. So yeah, you guys, hope you guys enjoyed the whole video. I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here. I'll see you guys on the next one, everybody. So in the meantime, between time, I'm out of here. Peace.